Hey everyone, this is Yom and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, we have started a series where we are studying a lot of architectural plans, and today the plans that I have are of dimension 25 feet by 40 feet. That means it is a 1000 square feet plans. Okay. And now you can see that in all the plans one thing is common, that the road is in the front and all the three sides are blocked. That means we can't open windows on any of the three sides. We can just open the window in the front. Directions is not mentioned over here, but if you are someone who is willing to like build a house and you want us to like plan your house, then you can simply contact us. Our number is in the description. It's 8433248864. So by the end I will also show you a plan that we are learning in our ongoing batch, and if you are someone who is willing to learn how to make the like architectural plan, then you can also connect with us. Okay, so first of all, we will directly go to the AutoCAD, and over here we will study the plan, and by the end of each plan discussion we will also give you some kind of information. So you can see over here, this is the ground floor plan and it is basically a 1 BHK plan. So what we have over here, we have a gate in the front, and then we have a 5 feet open wide a lawn. Okay, and then we have also a passage over here. You want to check the dimensions, then I can also check it for you. So you can simply check how much it is. So it is 1 feet 8 inches, so that is good for the passage of any person. So one person needs a space of 1 feet 6 inches for the moment, and it is more than that. So yes, we can go with it. And then we have this porch area where we can park our vehicles, and we also have a door opening directly to the staircase. So we can simply say that this is such a house plan in which the um staircase is outside the house, and you can also rent the different floors to different persons. Like if you are a owner, then you can simply just stay on one floor, and then you can rent out the another full floor. Now if someone is going for the ground floor only, then you can simply see that we have a drawing room that is of 9 feet 8 inches by 10 feet 8 inches. Now if you are new to like plan studying, then you must know this 9 feet 8 inches is the horizontal dimension, and the 10 feet 8 inches is the vertical dimension, that is this one, and all these dimensions are the inner dimensions. Now this drawing room is opening directly into the hall area of the building, or you can say the dining area is over here. Now on the left we have the kitchen and also a open to a sky space, that is a duct you can say. And we also have a door over here, so we can also use this area as the wash area, and this is also opening into the toilet over here, or you can say the bathroom over here. Now so this is quite placed at a good place, and the door is also in a right direction, because if someone is using the toilet, then no, it will not hamper the smell of the building is if someone is having the food over here. Okay, then we have this bathroom over here, which is separated from the toilet. Okay, then we have the bedroom on this side, and this bedroom is getting the ventilation from this duct area, or you can say the open area of 4 feet by 4 feet 2 inches, which is also providing the ventilation for the toilet and this bedroom. So this is basically a 2 BHK house where we have two bedrooms, one dining area, one drawing room, and a kitchen, and a common bathroom, which is having separate units for the toilet as well as bath. Okay, now you can see that this bedroom is having the door from here, and this bedroom is having the door from which is passing through from below the staircase. Okay, so like that we have this first ground floor plan that we have. Now if you are someone who is willing to learn how to do all these things in the AutoCAD, then you can also join our batch. Our batch is starting from tomorrow, that is the 1st of July, and it is starting at 8 p.m. So if you are someone who is working, then you can also join the batch. If you are someone who is going to the college, then you can also join the batch, because this is a comfortable time. And what we are going to have in this session, that we will discuss after few minutes. Okay, so stay till the end of this video and we will discuss each and everything with you. So we have this plan 2 for you, and this is the ground floor plan again. And This is the main gate over here. Then we have the lawn over here. Then 3 feet wide projection, which is quite a good space, better than 1 feet 8 inches. That was there in the previous plan. Okay, and now this is opening into a drawing room, which is quite big over here. That is of 16 feet 10 inches by 11 feet 7 inches, and you can see the placement of the sofa and the TV units. Everything is placed properly, so you don't need to hire actually an interior designer if you are going for the basic uh, house. Okay, yeah, if you are willing to make the interior of the house, then obviously you can connect with us and we will make the 3D interior of the house also. Now you can see we have a common toilet over here, which is common for the bathroom as well as toilet unit. And over here we have this lobby. Now and in the lobby we have this dining area. Now the uh, unique thing in this is that this staircase is directly opening from the lobby, but still it is having a separate space for that. So you can also store a few things below the staircase over here, and you can use that small space as a storeroom for your house. Now you can see this is taking you to the next floor like this, and now we have our bedroom on the right. Then we have this boarding point and the rear yard over here. So this is quite an open space. The cross sign always represent open to a sky space over here. Now this kitchen is always also there, and the dining area is just beside the kitchen, which is quite a good thing. Okay, so this should be like this, and this kitchen and the bedroom are getting ventilation from here. This toilet is getting the ventilation from this lobby area, which is not very good, but still because of this space constraint, if the architect is thinking like that, then it is quite good. Now you can see that the drawing room is getting the ventilation from the front area. Okay, so this is again a quite a good plan, but yeah, a rearrangement would have been better. Like the toilet should have been somewhere here, so that the proper ventilation for the toilet also is going well over here. Okay, but one thing is good, that the toilet and the kitchen gates are too far to exchange the smell over here, and so it will be good for the ground floor also, or you can say the whole building. Okay, now we will move to the next plan, but before that let's discuss about the upcoming batch course content over here. So yeah, our batch is having a schedule for the 10 days and it is on the building planning. So what we are going to learn over here, so we will first of all learn the about the introduction of the class, like what are the different things that we will discuss in our batch, and we are also using the AutoCAD to draft all these things. Okay, so I am also discussing the plans on the same software, that is the AutoCAD over here, and you can see we will learn how to deal with the clients. Then we will learn about the building components. Now what does building component means? It means that what rooms will have how much space, and on what basis we are deciding the space of the room. Like suppose this dining area is getting the space of 13 feet 6 inches by 12 feet, then on what basis we have decided that okay, we can have that much of the dining space. So and all this is based upon how many residents are there in the building. Okay, then we will also discuss about the vastu, like in which direction any room should be placed, and what are the different provisions of the vastu. All the things will be discussed in detail in our class. Then we will learn about the conceptual planning, like how we can draw a rough plan and then finally draft that rough plan over here. Then in the uh, drafting of the plan, we will learn all the commands that are regularly used by the civil engineers and the architects to draw the plan. And then we will also learn how to make the furniture layout of the 2D plan. Now how does a furniture layout looks? It looks something like this. Okay, so you can see this is a basic plan, and where we have the dimensions, doors, windows placed, and the columns are there. And this is the furniture layout where the furnitures are also placed, like the in the bedroom the bed is there, in the kitchen the slab and the sink is there, then the fridge is there. Then in the lobby we have this dining table over here. In the drawing room we have the sofa, the table of the sofa, and this a little flower pot over here. So all this is known as the furniture layout. So we will also learn how to do that in our batch. Then we will learn about the column positioning. Okay, like how to position the columns and what are the theories of positioning the columns. Like if someone has placed the columns like this, then what was the basis of placing the column, what was the theory behind that, and what if we are not positioning the columns like this, and what is the best alternative to do that. Okay, so all the things will be learned clearly over there. Then the center line concept will also be given to you, like how you can go with the like center line, because those markings are very much in needed if you are going for the construction of the house. Okay, so I will also discuss all these things like the benefits and all in just a few minutes, but let's study the plan 3 first. Okay, so stay till the end of this video because we are discussing a lot of things in a small time. Okay, so or you can say the short span of time. So you can see we have this third plan over here, and this plan is again having the dimension of the 40 feet, or you can say 25 feet by 40 feet. And now in the front we have this garden, then we have this parking area, then we have the veranda which is opening directly into a drawing hall and a room. Okay, so this room is opening in the both directions. So you can say if you want to rent out this room, then you can also do that, and you can keep this room separated. Okay, or this drawing hall is just opening directly into the lobby area, which is also used as the dining area over here, and this is open to a sky, so this is providing the ventilation for this one also, as well as the kitchen is getting the ventilation from the same space. Okay, now we can see we have this kitchen area that is 9 feet by 8 feet 8 inches, which is quite a good space for the kitchen. And then we have this bedroom of 13 feet 2 inches by 10 feet 1 inches, and beside that we have this bathroom which is of two different units. That is the wash area, like the bath area is different and the toilet area is different, and we have this staircase, and everything is quite good over here. Just the ventilation is a little problem because this toilet will get ventilation from too far over here, and this smell will just move or you can say they spread out in the whole space over here. So that is the only problem with this plan. Otherwise rest of the things are good. And this uh, the thing that we need to learn over here, that if you want to rent out some room, then you can simply make a room which is opening into the both the directions. So that is a special thing about this plan. Okay, now we will discuss a little bit about the benefits of joining our batch. So what are the different benefits that we have over here in the class? So in the class you will get the complete live sessions of the complete course, and then you will also get the class recordings of all the sessions, and you will also be added into the personalized WhatsApp group where you can ask your doubts even in the future or while the course is going on. Then you will also get the support for the next three projects. Like you have learned how to make the building plan, then you need assistance on some other project also, like you have got the client and now you want us to help you out with that plan, then you can just make the plan. And I will just suggest you, I will simply suggest you all the betterments, like I'm suggesting over here the betterments in these plans. I will suggest that in your life project. Then you will also get the class notes in the PDF format over here, and the course fee for all this is just 399, which is the minimal course and of course fee, and you can simply just afford it. And this is basically for the students who are willing to make a career as a architect, or you can say the building consultant over here. Now how you can connect us, you can simply just mail on rajababudnr1 at the rate gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp or call on 8433248864. So that's my contact number. You can simply take the screenshot of that. And now we will jump directly to the next plan, that is the fourth plan of the day. So you can see we have another plan over here, which is again a ground floor plan, and this is the gate, that is the main gate over here. Then we have the parking area, and this is the open area. Now you can see we have the veranda over here, and this is opening into the drawing or the living room. So you can see in this plan we don't have any kind of doors which we had in the earlier plans, but the door opening is quite clear over here. So I can just take you to the all the rooms, okay, of this floor. Now all the plans are having just the ground floor over here, and mostly the plans are of 1 BHK. So this is again a 1 BHK house. So we have a drawing come living area, which is quite spacious over here. And then we have this bedroom. Then we have our kitchen and the dining area over here. This is opening directly to the staircase. And we also have a wash basin over here, which can be used by the people who have finished their meal at this place. Then we have this open area which are providing the ventilation for the kitchen and the dining area, and also this a common toilet that is present over here. Okay, so that was the plan 4, and now we will go to the plan 5 over here. So plan 4 was hasn't much thing to discuss about. Now the only difference over here is in the plan 5 we have the staircase in this direction. So we will just discuss about that. So we have this porch area, then we have the drawing room, which is also leading us to the staircase, and you can see the through the staircase we can reach out to the next floor, and in between the gap of the staircase. This is a open well type of staircase, or you can say the U-shaped staircase. And in between that, we have this dining area, which is 13 feet by 5 feet 10 inches, which is again a good space. And the uh, kitchen is just beside the dining area, which is again a good thing. Then the toilet is having the ventilation from this wash or utility area, and we have the bedroom over here. So this is a 1 BHK basic plan over here. I will not like say that this is a very good plan. Now we will go for the plan 7 over here. Yeah, we will also discuss about the plan 6, but plan 6 is properly arranged, so we will discuss that in the last. Okay, because I'm always saving the best for the last. Now guys, if you are someone who is willing to learn how to draft all these things, okay, how to draft everything in the AutoCAD, then you can also join our different batch. We again have a like batch for the AutoCAD drafting only, where we learn each and everything starting from how to draft a plan like this, then how to open the space for the like the doors and the windows, how to name all this, and then how to calculate the dimensions, how to put the dimensions in the proper format. And then we have here the placement of the doors, how to make those doors, okay, like how all these doors are being drawn, how all these windows are being drawn. So all these things will be discussed in the detail in our AutoCAD drafting course, and this course is just for 2,999. Okay, so you can simply just go ahead and join that course also. If you want to learn the building planning, then you will we will not go into the details of the AutoCAD, but we will learn the concepts behind the building planning in detail. Okay, now after all these things we will also learn how to like make the proper arrangement of all these things, and how to make it a printable drawing. Okay, so you can see we have this paper format over here. So how to like make this title box, and then finally how to make this like whole plan presentable. So all these things will be taught in our AutoCAD drafting classes. So you can also join that. That is for, oh no, it's not 2,999, it's just 1,999. Okay, that is around 2000 is there. Okay, and that is a whole recorded format. So you can simply just go for that course also, and we will officially launch that course in just a few days. Okay, now we will discuss about our next plan, that is the plan 7 over here. So you can see this is the ground floor, and we have this gate, or you can say the main entrance over here. This is the open area. Then we have this veranda and a toilet. Okay, so if through the veranda we will directly enter to a bedroom, which is again a separate bedroom, so you can rent it out. And then we have this another bedroom over here, and the provision of the staircase is from here. Then we have this hall, which is having a common toilet, and this wash area is there. Then we have the kitchen area, so the dining space can be used in this hall area only. Okay, so again nothing to discuss much about this plan, because it is a very simple plan, and I'm not like liking it very much, because this bedroom is getting the ventilation from here just beside below the staircase, which is quite possible, but not a very good alternative. Again, this kitchen area is getting the ventilation from this wash area, which is too wide for like a wash area. So 9 feet by 4 feet is too much. Okay, that much is not required just to provide any space that is open to sky. Okay, so from my in my opinion, this is quite more than required. Okay, now we will go for our best arranged plan over here of the day, and that is a 25 feet by 40 feet plan, which is a 100 square feet plan, and this is the best one. So you can see we have this porch area, and on the right we have the lawn. Okay, so we can just use this 73.96 square feet of the porch area, that is 6 feet by 11 feet. 6 feet 11 inches by 9 feet 6 inches area for the parking also. And the lawn we can just uh, used to spend our quality time in the evening. And then we have this lobby, that is of 9 feet by 6 feet 9 feet 6 inches by 10 feet. Okay, and then we have this staircase over here, and on the right we have this drawing hall, which is opening directly into the bedroom. And this kitchen area is also directly connected with this Okay, a dining area. Okay, so the dining area and the drawing area is quite common over here, which is again a good thing, and the space is also quite good, to 14 feet by 18 feet 5 inches, which is accommodating two units of the sofas. TV unit is there, then the flower pot, small table is there, then the dining table is there, and then we have this console over here. Now you can see this is opening directly into the kitchen, and behind the kitchen we also have the wash area. So this toilet, or you can say this attached toilet to the bedroom, and the bedroom window, all of these are getting the proper ventilation from here. Then the lobby and all these things. So this is quite a good plan. Okay. So I will not say it awesome plan, but the arrangement of the furnitures over here, from the furniture layout view, this is a quite a very interesting plan. But from the planning portion, or you can say the planning motive, this could have been a little bit better. Okay, because these areas can be reduced a little bit. Okay, so, guys, that was my opinion on all these seven plans that we have discussed today. And what are your opinions? You can simply leave that in the comment section. And I welcome all your comments. Also, if you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you think that this can be useful for your friends or colleagues, then you can also share that with them. Or if someone of your relative or if your friends are like planning of building a house, then you can suggest them and that okay, civil raja is there, and we are making a very good architectural plan, and we will definitely make a beautiful architectural plan for them also. We will, with column position and the center line diagram, we can also design their structures and the interior of their house. Okay, guys, on this note, if you want to join our building planning batch, then the timing is rushing out. You can simply enroll today, because from tomorrow we are starting our new batch. Okay, guys, all the best for your future. Take care. Bye bye.